Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to make a payment to the IRS online in 2025. So, if you need to pay the taxes to the IRS online in 2025, follow the steps shown in this video and you will learn how to do this. Now, step 1 to do this is choosing a payment method. So the IRS offers several secure online payment options such as direct pay, debit or credit card, electronic federal tax payment system that is EFTPS that is best for recurring payments, and also PayPal, Venmo or other digital wallets, but fees may apply. Now, step 2 is using the IRS direct pay, that is the best and free option. So simply navigate to any browser on your mobile phone or PC, go to the search bar and type in IRS direct pay, hit enter. Now click on the link that says irs.gov direct pay with bank account. Now this is going to take you to this page. As you can see, after navigating to the IRS direct pay, simply click make a payment button, then select a reason for payment, for example tax return or notice. Now choose the tax year you are paying for, then enter your bank details, for example checking, savings account or another. Then verify your identity, that is last year's tax info, and submit your payment and save the confirmation number. Now, step 3 is paying with a credit or debit card. Visit the IRS approved payment processors, then select a provider that is ACI Payments, Pay 1040 or Pay USA Tax, and enter your payment details and complete the transactions. Note that there is a processing fee for the card payments. Now, step 4 is paying using EFTPS for recurring payments. Open any browser, type in eftps.gov, hit enter. Now, this is going to take you to this page. Here, you can enroll and verify your bank account. So, click on Enroll button and it is going to take you to another page. Now, choose I accept the Privacy Act and Paperwork Reduction Act and choose among these 3 options. For example, business, individual or federal agency. I'm going to choose individual. Now, I'll have to simply fill out this form, that is the enrollment form. I'll have to enter my personal information, contact information, financial information and click on the review button. So after finishing out the details on this page, I'll have to simply verify my bank account also. So I will go back to the first page and click on make a payment. So basically enroll yourself, then click on make a payment and complete the transactions. You can pay through all these 3 options. Now, you should also note that a processing fee may apply. Now, step 6 is confirming the payment and keeping records. So after paying, save your confirmation receipt, check your IRS account for payment status, and that is the simple way through which you can make a payment to the IRS online in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.